Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do pick a card reading. You person next to move towards you, okay, what they are thinking. Okay, so these are three piles here, and this is pile 1, yellow color hat, and pile 2, this red, and pile 3, this white color heart. So before choosing the pile, take deep breath, okay. So you person next to move towards you. Let's see those who choose pile number 1, this yellow color hat, okay. So those who choose this yellow color hat, let's see your person next to move towards you. The moon, 3 of cups, princess of pentacles, the sun. Yeah, you will get some communication from your person and in your future. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you. I think there are some issues between both of you because the moon card is here. I think someone is hiding something from one another in this connection. It could be you or your person, okay. There are some issues, still they are going. Definitely I think your person want reconciliation with you, and princess of pentacles, definitely they want to communicate, and you will get some message from your person. And because pentacles means messages, communication, and the sun, definitely they want reconciliation, and they're thinking about you very positively, okay. And 3 of cups, definitely they want reconciliation, the sun with the 3 of cups. So guys, the next step towards you, they will contact you, they will make a contact from their end, and they want reconciliation, and they're thinking about you very positively. And the signs, your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, okay, or Pisces especially, your person could be. So I want to take 2 more cards, extra messages from, we are going to read. The Lovers, 2 of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely love is there between both of you. Your person could be Gemini also. And 2 of Pentacles, right now your person may be juggling between things, between you and their career, whatever they are juggling right now, they are juggling, but the juggling will end and they will come towards you because the sun is here, and this is the major arcana and very positive arcana in the deck. They want reconciliation, it is clear. I think right now they are juggling, that's why in near future definitely they will make contact you and they will express their feelings to you. So this is the reading for you guys, those who choose this hat. So hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and please do support me guys. Bye. So let's see those who choose pile number 2, this hat, red and white. So your person next to move towards you. 5 of swords, 4 of wands, 8 of pentacles, and high priestess. Yeah, there is some fighting between both of you in recent past. Still 5 of swords, there are some fighting going between you and your person, but your person want to work on this relationship. I think the one person who invest in this connection more is you, the viewers, okay. But your person realize you both after the fighting, whatever is happened between both of you. 4 of wands, I think you both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. So your person want this celebration with you, and they are listening to their higher self right now, high priestess. Yeah, they're trusting their intuition. And 8 of pentacles with 4 of wands. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. It is very slow but stable offer. Definitely they want to work on this relationship, those who choose pile number 2. Yeah, and this time they're trusting their intuition, they're listening to their higher self. So let's pull 2 more cards. Emperor, sorry, King of Pentacles, Star. Wow. Yeah, they see you as a star in their life. Yeah, the star. Your person could be Aquarius also. Definitely they are hoping for reunion if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. If you are no contact or less contact, definitely your person will make a move towards you. They want to work on this relationship because 8 of Pentacles. and King of Pentacles. Definitely long-term commitment. This time they want long-term with you and they want stability. They want to offer stability to this connection. I think lot of earth energies here. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I think mostly Aquarius here, one sign. Okay. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. Definitely they will make move towards you in near future, because now they realize you both and they want to work on this relationship. So those who choose pile number 2, this is the reading for you guys. Definitely they want reunion. If you are in separation, they will make move towards you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and please do support me guys. So let's see pile number 3, those who choose this white color heart. Your person next move towards you. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, 5 of Cups, Emperor, and the Fool. Yeah, definitely both are in separation. For some, definitely separation. Now your person want new beginnings with you, the Fool energy. Now your person was right now in Fool energy. They're going with the flow and they want to take leap of faith. And the Sun is also here. They want new beginnings with you. And definitely they are feeling very, very sad for the separation. Yeah, they are feeling very, very sad. And now they want to offer Ace of Pentacles. I think the one person who put a lot of effort and who invest a lot in this connection is you, my viewer. But your person now realize you both after the separation. Now they are feeling very, very sad for the separation. Now they want to offer stability because the Emperor. I think your person may be stubborn also. That's why they are taking their time to come towards you. For some, your person may be having hard time to express their feelings because Emperor is stubborn. They are honest, they are committed, but for some, your person may be having some ego problems also there. So definitely they want new beginnings with you, the Fool energy. It is very, very positive. Those who choose pile number 3, I think pile 3, all 3 piles got the same message but in different ways. Okay, definitely your person want reconciliation if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, your person want to take this relationship to next level. Okay, signs regarding you or your person could be earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some more cards, 2 cards for the overall message. See, 2 cards. 1 card here, 3 of Wands, see 10 of Swords and Knight of Pentacles. 2 cards popped out. Yeah, I think it could be long distance relationship. 3 of Wands is here. I think your person may be turn their back from you in past, or you may be turn your back from your person, and this could be long distance relationship, traveling involved. And 10 of Swords, definitely there is some painful ending between both of you, separation. Your person literally they are feeling very, very sad for the separation. And Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, I think I already told you that your person having hard time to express their feelings to you, definitely, because Knight of Pentacles, very, very slow moving energy. Yeah, they're coming back to you, but it is very, very slow moving energy. So signs you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, your person want offer long-term commitment because Ace of Pentacles is here. This is long-term commitment, and Ace of Pentacles with Emperor and the Fool. Yeah, I think this is very, very long-term commitment and very stable offer. Yeah, they're coming back, but they will make a move towards you, but it will take time because 3 of Wands is waiting also. So in near future, maybe you will not get some call or any move. Don't get disappointed because it is very slow moving energy with 3 of Wands with Knight of Pentacles. So definitely waiting. I think your person may be also waiting for you to make a move towards them. That's why the delay, a waiting game. If you don't want to wait, at least you make a, you make some more, in that time you don't get any result, keep quiet. Then your person realize you were, definitely they are coming back, but they are waiting and they are taking their time to come towards you. Okay, because Knight of Pentacles is very, very slow moving energy, guys. So definitely they want to offer long-term commitment and they want new beginnings with you. So this is the reading for you guys, those who choose pile number 3. Hope it resonates to you. Please do sure like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.